Yeah, welcome back. We are going to discuss regarding marketing and marketing functions and the product life cycle and channel of distribution under this particular head of last point under unit number 2. Now here we need to understand what is market, what is marketing, and what is marketing management, and what are the marketing mix elements and strategies incorporated while the product is product life cycle, that is in PLC, and type of channel of distributions. Now, what is market? I think you know that market, it is a place where buyers and seller will meet, make their exchange transactions. It is called market. Then marketing, we have the different perceptions people will use. Marketing is a social process by which managers or individuals or groups obtain what they want and need through creating, offering, and exchanging the product and services of uh, of a value of a value freely with others. I mean, here we have the different definitions. Marketing is the performance of business activities that directs the flow of goods from producer to the consumer for the consumer satisfaction. This is another definition. So, as like that, the different definitions which used to describe what is marketing. So, finally, we can say marketing is a social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they want and need through creating, offering, and exchanging the products and services of value freely with others. There are different values generated by the manufacturers and it will deliver to the customer. Customer will pay right value to that. Both will satisfy. That is called marketing. So here, but usually marketing revolves around the needs and wants of the customer, and the selling is basically concentrate on emphasis on the satisfaction of the sellers. There is a difference between the marketing and selling. Here, selling is purely for the seller orientation. Marketing is basically concentrate on the customer satisfaction. So here we have another definition. Marketing is often is also described as an art of selling products. No, actually, selling product is it is not a fair definition for marketing. Here, marketing is not only selling. Basically, it concentrates on to the satisfaction of the customer. Here, Peter Drucker defines a leading management theorist. He explains that the aim of marketing is to make selling superfluous. The aim of marketing is to know and understand the consumer so well that the product or services fit him or herself needs. Basically, here whatever the product we are going to be making, it is needed to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer. Then only the marketing process will fulfill. Finally, we can say marketing, it is a process of performing the business activities that directs the flow of goods from producer to the consumer for the consumer satisfaction. That is called marketing. There is another definition for the marketing management. Sir, marketing is a marketing management and marketing. So marketing, it is a process. Marketing management is an art. Here we have a definition which is given by the American Marketing Association. According to that, marketing management is a process of planning, executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchange that satisfy the individual and organizational goals. So here it is very clear definition which indicate what is marketing management. Marketing management, it is a process of planning and executing the consumption. Consumption, it says it called the product. Planning the product, executing for the product, pricing to that, promoting it, distribution of the product, goods or ideas and services to create exchanges that satisfy both the individual and as well as the organizational goals. That is called the marketing management. Now here we talk regarding to the marketing mix element. There are 5 P's are called as an marketing mix elements. So one is in product, price, place, promotion, and packing. These 5 are known as in the 5 P's of marketing. Here we are discussing 4 P's, but actually there are 5 P's in the marketing mix element, and totally 8 P's including the services marketing, like product, price, place, promotion, and packing. For services marketing, another 3 P's are there: people, process, and physical evidence. So here we'll understand what are the 5 P's of marketing. One is an product. I think you know what is product. Product is anything that can be offered by one party to the other party to satisfy their needs and wants. Usually, the packing element also covers under the product itself. But packing today, after in the current scenario, packing is becoming as a separate entity or the separate element of the marketing mix elements. Next, price. Price is an amount of money that the consumer is ready to offer of a particular product or a service, that is called pricing. So here, usually for the result of usually the price schedule is that that include the regular price, volume discount, payment terms, seasonal prices, introductory prices, and etc. But it is a tactic which is used to determine the value of the particular product, That is what exactly the price. So in simple language, to say price is an amount of money that the consumer is ready to accept, to pay, to acquire and use of the particular product, that is called price. So another one is an promotion. So here, once the product is made, it has to be communicated to the targeted audience group. It means to say that the promotion, it is a process of communicating regarding to the product, its benefits, its values to the end customer to buy of it. I mean, this will be done with by using of the 5 promotional mix elements like advertising, sales promotion, publicity, public relation, direct marketing. So these are called as an promotional mix elements. By using of the promotional mix elements, we used to communicate the information to the customers and create an awareness regarding to the product and make them to buy the product. That is what the promotion. It is also a key role. It plays a key role today in marketing management or in the market scenario. Another one is in place. I think this is exactly impact onto the sale of the product. Place is an area where the product will be available to the customer. It means to say that it is called as a distribution. We need to make the product to the customer to buy it. For that, we need to adapt appropriate distribution channels to be selected. This will be depends upon to the type of product and the type of customer and the price of the product and all other marketing mix elements will be integrated with the place also. So place decision will be taken based upon the different factors like price of the product, promotion, product nature itself, and type of the customer, type of the competitor. Now, as like the different factors will be considered while we are going to be deciding the place. And last P, that is called packing. Packing is called as a second scheme to the customer, to the product, but this the way the packing will be viewed by the marketer and seller will be varies. Marketer views packing as an protection to the product. Consumer views that convenient to carry the product. So packing is another variable which is having an impact on the marketing strategy as a marketing strategy into the current marketing environment, in the current market-oriented environments. This is about the marketing mix elements. Now we coming to the point of the marketing functions. Marketing is not just a selling of goods and services to the customer. It is a means more than that. It starts with potential, identifying the potential market, product development, market share, and capturing and establishing a cordial relationship with the customer. It means marketing is a basic function of first we'll identify what customer is required. We make the product according to that. We will make the product available to the consumer to buy, and by using of the promotions, we are able to capture the attention of the customer. And after that, we sell the product to the market, and we establish a customer relationship with them, a cordial relation with them, and we continue them as a loyal consumer to buy the product regularly. That is the basic function of marketing. So finally, you try to satisfy the needs of the customer by offering the right product to the customer. So here we are having the different marketing functions we are having, like a marketing research is the one function. Here we need to identify the type of consumer, their demands and estimations, the type of competitors, before launching any particular product. That is the first function. Understanding the market needs is the first priority, first function of the marketing. This will be done through the marketing research. Then we talk about another function is in market planning. So here we try to design an appropriate plan according to the target customers. So to capture the more market share and to sell the more product as possible into the market, we need to propose an appropriate market offer to the customer. That is the second function. Third is we need to design the product according to the customer requirement. Based upon the market research, based upon the marketing planning, we try to design and create a particular product or service that which satisfy the customer needs. After that, buying and assembling. What we do, we buy the material, assemble it, and make a process. So buying and selling, assembling of the parts is done to create a particular product or service. This is also a function of marketing. Product standardization is done based on the quality and the quantity of the raw material. I mean, very clearly say that is called, if the product is graded, product standardization will be done based upon the positioning. This is one aspect which is having impact onto the, in the marketing decisions, that we consider the market position. I mean, the way how the consumers perceive the product, based on that, the standards are fixed. And here packing and labeling is another aspect. This is also one particular aspect which is impact onto the as a function of marketing, and it try to integrate with the product price and size of the product, and so other elements will be considered on this. Branding is once the product is name is, I think you know what is brand. Brand is a name, sign, or logo or symbol which is used to differentiate one product with the other product, that is called brand. So we need to identify the branding aspect. Branding will be done to the product is a basic function of the marketing. Pricing to the product, it is a fundamental character of marketing. And promotion of the product is exactly that we need to make the people aware of the particular product through the promotional mix elements like advertising, sales promotion, publicity, public relation, and direct marketing. Warehousing and storage. So we need to select the distribution channel and make the product available into the markets. For that, we need to establish either by the store the product in either in the warehouses or some other market intermediary we need to select for this. Selling and distribution, this is very clearly indicating that choosing and appropriate distribution channel and depends upon to the nature of the product, depends upon to the type of the customer, depends upon to the size of the market. Last is in transportation. This is also one function of marketing, and it decides that what goods we need to manufacture and how it is reached to the customer, like by using of the wholesaler, retailer, and how we are it reached to the customer, that we need to describe. That the description will be done through the transportation. These are the basic functions of marketing. Now we talk regarding to the product life cycle.